Today we'll be unboxing this Conquer Mini case by Cougar. Yes, it's mini, though it doesn't seem like it's mini, though it is really mini. You know what I mean? This is a mini tower case and I'm just so excited to unbox this because it's color pink. Let's go. Let's see what's inside the box. So I would like to thank Cougar, of course, for sending this case. Yes. Okay, I'm guessing this is going to be really heavy, but I was able to lift it up. Actually, my mom received this. My mom carried this from the gate to our door, then I carried this from the door to the studio, and without further ado, we have here the cake. Wow! Wait, it's already built! So I don't need to build it anymore. I was expecting I'll be building this because as you can see, hold on. Let's remove it outside the box first. How do we... Okay. So here on the side, we have here the screws and some brackets and of course the manual for the case. It looks so good. Can you see it? So this case have two 5mm tempered glass here on the left and right side of the case. And it is made of aluminum alloy. Hold on. Trying to figure out how can I carry this. There you go. Ooh, let's set this aside. I think there's nothing here for us to get. So let's move this box. Okay, then let's talk about the... Wow, it is so nice. Okay, so let's just move this here. Oh, wow. So this one is the Cougar Conquer Mini case. So here in the front panel, we'll see. Wow, I like it. It's so nice. And here in the front panel, we have here the power button, of course, reset button. We have here also the microphone and headphone jack and two USB 3.0 ports. So here in the front, I see that you can put two 120mm fans. As I mentioned earlier, it has two 5mm thick tempered glass with Cougar logo here on the bottom. Let's remove it so you can see the inside properly. And be careful, guys, with removing tempered glass. You might not pick it up and it'll be shattered into pieces. Okay, so there you go. I'll put this aside first. So inside, this is the motherboard area. You can put a maximum of 350mm graphics card here. I guess my Galaxy Hall of Fame will fit here. It has 5 expansion slots. The motherboard area, you can actually fit a Micro ATX or Mini ITX build for this one. The power supply area is here. You're gonna put the power supply here. A maximum of 200mm power supply can fit here. So this part will be the one that supports the motherboard. Oh, I'm so sorry. You can only put a total of two 120mm fans. So if we're going to use a 360mm radiator, it won't fit here. So the maximum capacity of the cooling system here at the top is two 120mm fan or 240mm radiator, and at the front part, it's the same thing. Well, I'm just so excited to create my own build here in this Cougar Conquer Mini case that is color pink. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video with me. So if you're planning on upgrading or building a pink build, I guess you should consider getting this one. Well, again, that's everything you need to know about this case. Oh, before I forgot, you can also put 3.5 HDD or SSD here, or 2.5 SSD. This is Karen. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!